Ever wonder who screenshotted your Snapchat story? Good news! Snapchat lets you see it right from the app. Let me walk you through the steps. First, open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon at the top left to access your stories. Under My Stories, tap on your story thumbnail. It will start playing, but you'll also see icons at the bottom of the screen. Swipe up on the story. This will show you the list of people who viewed it. Now, look closely at the icons next to their names. If someone took a screenshot, you'll see a little crossed arrows icon right beside their name. The icon shows who viewed your story. The double arrow means that person screenshotted it. If you see both, it means they viewed and also save it with a screenshot. Remember, you'll need to check each snap in your story one by one, since screenshots are tracked per snap, not for the whole story at once. And don't worry, Snapchat notifies you instantly with a little screenshot alert in your notifications, so you won't miss it. And that's it. That's how you can tell who screenshotted your Snapchat story. Super easy. Now you'll always know who's keeping receipts.